Happy Saturday. The weekend is here. I'm so excited. Last night I watched Cinderella with Brandy and like the Filipino prince on Disney Plus, and it is truly the best Cinderella out there. The diversity in that movie was chef's kiss, and also all of the songs. And today's actually my dad's birthday. It's Papa Far's birthday, so we're gonna be celebrating. Well, not really celebrating, we're just going to dinner, and I think he wants like shabu-shabu, which is like a boiling point where you like basically cook food in front of you. It's not Korean barbecue, but it's kind of like the same idea. So we're gonna give him what he wants. I just finished filming a couple of brand deals. I typically do not like to work in the weekends, but this one has a tight schedule, and the first package got lost, so my time to film it was cut down because, well, I didn't get the product in time, so I needed to like shoot it today because I needed to turn in by Monday, and tomorrow is Valentine's Day, and I'm really trying not to work tomorrow. With that said, I want to open a couple of PR packages because I got a couple of them, and I want to start off with the brand TIGN. I believe they have shoes and also glasses, and they reached out a couple weeks ago and they asked me if they can send me some items, and the products are here. So I forgot what I picked, honestly. It's been a while, so let's see what they sent. So the first, oh my god, wow, look at this, guys. Wait, I love the color though. Look at this. So it is this suede, and I don't know what you call this material, but there's suede all over, and it's like nude beige, then a hint of like muted green, this dark gray. Oh wow. How do we like it? Ooh, fancy schmancy. We got the, are these clogs? They're not clogs, they're like flats. Not really flat. It has like that sweater feeling, or like knitted feeling to it. Oh my god, wait, this is so cute. Like, I need a, there we go. Oh my god, this is so cute. I feel so fancy. All right, so this is the foundation. It's called Changemaker Supercharge Micellar Foundation. This is in the shade T110. At first, when I apply it, it looks like it's super orange, but then after I apply my concealer and then my powder, it like evens it out. So this is my shade. So if you guys are like in the same shade as me right now, try the T110 or just get your shade at Sephora. They'll like help you out. But I was pretty surprised that they got my shade right, because sometimes when brands send like PR, especially like with foundations or CC creams or anything that has like a skin, you know, color, it's never like perfect. It's either one is too light or one is too dark. But I feel like they did a really great job at like matching me, considering that like I've never given them my shade or like any of my foundation shades from like other brands. Sometimes they would ask you like, oh, what's your shade from like Too Faced, and like we'll match it from there, but like they never asked. So whoever was in charge, you did a good job. You did a good job, and thank you. But yeah, I've been loving it. It honestly feels like skin. Like it doesn't feel like I'm wearing makeup. So it's crazy. Not a sponsored video. I was honestly just super shocked, and I like tried it right away as soon as I got it, because I was like, oh my god, a foundation that actually matches me, because my face is lighter right now than the rest of my body because I've been using a lot of vitamin C, and it's been slowly but surely like brightening up this area here, and I haven't gotten around to buying a new foundation. And I feel like I have foundations that are my color right now, but they're just like hidden, you know, like I don't want to like spend money right now. So yeah, recommend this. Hello guys, we're bringing back Headband Girl. It's been a couple of hours since I last picked up the camera, but I just got this huge package and I don't know who it's from, so we're gonna go ahead and open it together. I thought it was from Lulu's because I have a huge shipment from them. I'm working with them on a couple of Instagram deliverables, and I thought it was from Lulu's, but it's not. So this is the box that they sent. Hopefully there's no sweaters. So ooh, wait, is this one of those Valentine's Day like PR? Because I've always wanted to get one. So it says, badass with a good ass, you're a vibe, keeping it cute and cozy, shoe love, true love. Look at how cute this is. Let's see. Oh, it's from Miss Lola. Wait, I didn't Dear Lola, babe, Valentine's is looking different this year, but on the sweet side, calories don't count today, and it's all about keeping it cute and comfy. Share the love with someone or keep it all for you. Either way, it's all about you. We hope you have the sweetest day. XOXO, Miss Lola. Oh my god, I didn't expect them to ship me something because like, I usually get, yeah, whatever, you don't care. But this is the package. It says, hey gorgeous, you've got a great taste. Shut up. No freaking way. I don't know which one to show you first. What is in here? Candies? Oh my god. They gave me sweets? What is this? Oh my god, is this a charcuterie board or charcuterie board? It says Miss Lola, guys. Oh my god. This is so cute. We got some M&Ms in this little box. We got these sugar wafers in the flavor strawberry. Cannot wait to taste this. We got Pocky. Ooh, I love Pocky. Starburst. Are you kidding me? These Flips white fudge covered pretzels. I mean, I've had pretzels and like covered pretzels, but I've never had this brand before. And then, what else? Oh my god. Oh shoot. This one opened, but there's a bunch of candies in heart shape and M&Ms. I guess that's why, that's where the rest went, because I was like, oh, they really box 4 M&Ms? Like, that's cute, but it's right here, guys. You guys know I love anything personalized. Shut up, bro. Stop. Stop. I thought it was just sweatpants. This is the sweatpants with my name on it. A hoodie. A hoodie. This is... Thank you so much, Miss Lola. I literally was not expecting this. Oh my god, I literally thought it was just sweatpants. I literally thought it was just sweatpants. This is literally so kind for the brand to send me this and personalize my own hoodie and sweatpants and give me something on Valentine's Day and give me a charcuterie board and snacks. Hello guys, good morning and happy Valentine's Day, everyone. I feel so loved today, okay? I feel so loved and I hope you guys are feeling the same way. If you're spending Valentine's Day by yourself, no you're not. You're spending it with me. You're spending it with me. So happy Valentine's Day, everyone. It is currently 10:30 right now and I am waiting for Ralph because we are going to the beach today. Now it's super windy outside. It's about 63 degrees and for us LA people, that's kind of cold, especially if it's like super windy outside. We literally do not know how to function anything below 85 degrees. But yes, I'm just waiting and I feel like this is the most wintry outfit I've ever worn because it's pretty, honestly, like pretty cold outside. I'm wearing this jean jacket that I got from, I believe, Yes Style a while ago, and then it's like teddy on the inside. It's pretty warm, and then I'm wearing this gray turtleneck and I'm also wearing white jeans and just my Reebok Hot Ones white sneaker. I wanted to wear something that I didn't really mind getting dirty if I do like step on the sand and whatever. As for today's Valentine's schedule shenanigans, I guess we are going to the beach. I think we're gonna chill there for about like an hour or two. We don't want to stay there for a long time. Aww. This guy in front of me is walking across the street and he has a heart-shaped balloon and also a bouquet of flowers. How cute. You know what warms my heart is seeing men Yes, I said men, because boys don't do this thing, is seeing men like get flowers or balloons or chocolates for their partner. It's the sweetest thing. So yeah, as I was saying, we're gonna go to the beach for a couple of hours, and since we're already there, I think I'm gonna just shoot one content. Like, I have a sponsored content with Wave Soda, which is like this drink, and one of the themes that they want us to film or like do is to show hotspots in California. Let me show you guys. Wait. Aww. Some hotspots in SoCal, and one of them, in my opinion, are the beaches. Since I'm already gonna be in Malibu, might as well just take one quick shot. And Ralph said, yeah, like, it's completely fine. And we're just gonna eat a quick snack there, and then after that we're gonna drive back to go get sushi, and then we're gonna have a movie day. We're gonna watch To All the Boys I've Loved Before. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and I'll catch you guys later.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day. So, this is our future beach house, guys. Come on, you can't get sued for that.
No.
You didn't know the number, right?
Yeah.
Just chilling in the front yard, you know?
Backyard.
The backyard, you know? Ralph's about to show me his gift and told me to close my eyes.
Your eyes closed?
Yes.
Your left hand, pull it out.
Wait, can I scan this?
Yeah.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Sorry, I fucked up.
It's okay. This is what the picture frame in your room was for? This is what Ralph got me. It's his favorite song. Close your eyes.
Open.
One for me.
Yes.
What does it say?
It says pinky promise. I promise to wear this and remember. I promise to wear this and remember how lucky I am to have you. Simply close your eyes and make a wish. Then tie this bracelet on your wrist. When it falls off or wears through, that is when your wish comes true.
Okay, let's do it. You're gonna wish.
It can be anything.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yay, we did it. We did it. Did it.
So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet. Huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know.
So we're at this sushi place, our favorite sushi place, and it says, no!
Got COVID. Send this.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got